guys, here we go. More and more fun. This is Algebra 2, video 2.1, equations part 2. All right, we're going to focus on equations that are called special cases, okay? All right, so take a look at this one right here I got for you. What a work of art it is. Remember, I like to do that dotted line to separate the left-hand side from the right-hand side. Remember, you're going to simplify the left, which you cannot because you don't have any like terms there, and then you're going to simplify the right. So I'm just going to recopy the left, 1 plus 3c. Let's go ahead and distribute that $5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times negative 1c will be negative 5c, and recopy the 8c. All right, I'm going to recopy the 1 plus 3c because I can't do anything with it. And then on the right-hand side, my only like terms are these variables c's. Look, you have $8 or 8 whatever, and you lose 5, so you're left with 3c. All right, now you got the left-hand side was already simplified. You simplified the right-hand side. Now, if you see variables on both sides, you're going to get them together on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 3c from both sides. And now I'm left with 1 equals 5. Oh, crap. Look, what I was looking for disappeared. I was trying to find the value of c. Well, this is one of those special cases when you lose the variable you're looking for. All you got to do, anytime you lose a variable, and only when you lose a variable, I want you to write true/false to the right of it. And then you just got to decide, is your leftovers true or your leftovers false? Well, 1 never equals 5. So this is a false statement. So you make this 1 does not equal 5. Anytime you get an incorrect or false statement, you say the answer to this question is empty set or no solution. Remember, this is human-made, this science of math. All right, and it just so happens this equation does not have an answer. Okay, doesn't happen often. It's a special case, but I want to make sure that you're aware of it. Okay, we're cool. That's example 1. All right, let's fire up another one. All right, here we go. Example 2. All right, we're solving again, of course, because this is equations. Let me move that over a little bit. Oh, look, I got a fraction equal to a fraction. So let's go ahead and take advantage of our cross multiplying. So I'm going to take 2, and I'm going to multiply to 2x minus 6. And I'm going to take the other arrow 4 and multiply by the quantity x minus 3. Okay? The neat thing about the cross multiplying is you're just changing it into, a regular equation, if you will. You got no fractions to deal with. All right, we're going to distribute our brains out because we've got nothing better to do. Here we go. So this is 4x minus 12, and then over here, you got 4x minus 12. Now, if you want, you really can stop there because you can see that the left and the right are exactly the same. Okay, but if you're afraid you might mess this up for whatever reason, look, your 4x's, change the sign. Right, you know how we always get the x's together. Oh, crap, look what happened. We lost the variable. Anytime you lose the variable, put true/false. But this time, look, negative 12 does equal negative 12. So if you get a true statement, then the answer is going to be all reals. Okay? Think about it. If you come back to this line right here, it doesn't matter what value of x you yell out. You're going to multiply by 4, subtract 12. You're going to come over here and take that same value and multiply by 4, subtract 12. Well, you're always going to be yelling out the same answer. It could be a fraction, it could be a decimal, large, positive, negative, whatever, but any number you yell out. So this is the other special case when your leftovers are true, and then you just put all reals. Okay, or if you want to put all, you can. Okay? All right, I got one more fun one for you. This is probably everyone's least favorite equation type. This one's called a literal equation, and a literal equation usually has more than one letter. It has less values and more variables. And then when you solve for whatever variable they want you to, usually you're going to get some kind of answer that is just another expression. Okay? They have to tell you what they want you to solve for. So in this case, they came up with this formula here. I have no idea what that is. They want us to solve for letter B. Okay, look, letter B is located right here. You got your little division right here. I don't like this division, this fraction. So look, multiply by C on both sides. You guys know what happens. Look, this is division. This one's in the numerator, this is the denominator, so it cancels. You're left with just A plus B. Do not overthink this over here. 5 times C is 5C. At this point, I forgot what we're looking for. I gotta come back up here. Okay, we want B. So if you want B, you don't want A, so get rid of A. So your answer is B is 5C minus A. Okay, if you notice, it's just an expression. Okay, it's not a number value because you didn't have any like terms. Okay, all right, well, this is Algebra 2, video 2.1 equations. Good to see you. Take it easy.